So I have two toothbrushes here. They're both electric. So one, the oscillating, which means turns round. And then this one, it vibrates like side to side. So which one is the best? They're all the best. So you just decide which one you like better. It's people's preference. However, let's take an example. If you don't have braces, this is just your teeth. When you use this one, you will use it like you normally use your normal toothbrush. So your circular movement all the way in to the side. When you open your mouth, that's when you're going to do the back and forth movement. Also on the gums here, you come to the front, then you clean your teeth like that. On the top, like that, and also on the inside. And then you're going to move to the top of the bottom teeth, like that. Then on the inside as well, make sure you brush the gum area as well. Then you come here, and then it's more like you pulling out the food or the dirt or the plaque there. Then also, then you come this side, back and forth, and then on the inside, like that. When you're done, just move your tongue on all your teeth from all the way to the top, to the side, also on the bottom. In the areas when you feel like it's still a bit rough, then you go back to those areas and then you brush them. And then you can take your brush and go to the back of your teeth like that. So you can just go like that to make sure all the sides are clean, and also at the back of this one, and then you go to the bottom and also to this side. People struggle to have the brush reach to the upper left, the right or left teeth, because when you open your mouth really hard, then your cheeks will be tight, and then your toothbrush won't be able to reach. So what you do is, when you want to brush the right tooth right at the back, but you really can't reach there, just try to close your mouth a bit. So you try to open, you open your mouth, then try to close the feet, and then you're able to reach that last tooth like that. There. So you'll be able to brush right at the way to the top. Same thing, up, open, close the feet, push it back, and then you clean. So same thing there, all the way. Okay. So when you use this one, because it rotates, so instead of doing this, like, because you're obviously not going to use it efficiently, you focus on one tooth, you do this. Okay. Okay, so same thing, like I said, you start from the top all the way out, instead of doing it together. So you focus on one tooth at a time. Okay, and then you go inside of your mouth. So when you do that one, obviously the toothbrush would be like that. So this is you, or this is me. So you do this. Okay, and then you go on the inside, per tooth as well. Just make sure that you brush one tooth at a time. Then obviously the front hair is like that. So you do that all the way. Then this side as well, on the inside. And then okay, remember we do one tooth at a time. And then okay, then the same thing, you spit Then you use your tongue just to move on all your teeth to check if there's any rough surfaces. If there is, then you go back to that part and clean again. And then you go to the last teeth as well at the back there. So you do that. Okay. So that's how you use the oscillating or the turning around toothbrush. However, if you have braces, I would not recommend this one, because I've realized that people tend to hurt themselves, or they're scared that when they use it, it's going to remove the bracket. Even though it works perfectly, but because obviously for people don't want to be uncomfortable, so you'd rather use something that you're comfortable with. But it's the same process, you press on per tooth. Okay, the inside. Okay, so for braces, I prefer this one, where you'd be able to move from the top of the gums. You do that. Top of the braces, not on the gums, top of the gums. And then on the inside, then it's the same, the same procedure. Like when you don't have braces, you do this side and you do this side. You come to the inside like that, the front teeth. You do that. So with the braces, you put your toothbrush here. Whether you're using a manual brush or electric toothbrush, you brush on top of the bracket and also underneath the bracket. Same on the bottom. See? Underneath and on top. Underneath and then on top. Then you go on top of the teeth, on the inside here, on the inside, and also on this side. Same thing, check if it's smooth. You go back to the last teeth. You go back to the last teeth just to make sure that you don't neglect that part. Yeah, the electric toothbrushes, they come with an app. The updated ones, they come with an app where it will time you, where it gives you 30 seconds per arch, meaning this part 30 seconds, this part 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, which makes up to 2 minutes. So it will allow you to, it will time you to brush this side and then also give you feedback, and then and then when you go, and then it times you to tell you that you can go to the side, to the other side, and also to the other side. So I'm just going to run this one so that you have an idea how it really times you. Okay, you had that shift of gear. That means I need to move to the next arch. But if it happens that it changes and you're still not done here, just continue until you feel comfortable that you've brushed properly the side. Okay, then I can change to the bottom teeth. Then I move to the other side. So it will always give you feedback. Some, they'll come with a timer where you can integrate with your phone and you can always time yourself. Some, they come with an extra timer on the side that you can just take a look and see for yourself. Yeah, they come with a timer. Just time yourself for 2 minutes, 2 minutes minimum. Oh, and then another thing, this one, it has this light. It has this area that is red here. So when you brush and you press too hard, it will light up. Obviously you'll see because it will just flick, and then when you're looking in the mirror, you'll see it. So I'll just make an example to see. So when I press too hard, then it lights up. So it warned me that I'm pressing too hard and I'm not supposed to press too hard. So if I was brushing my teeth, and then I can see that I'm pressing too hard. So it helps, especially for people who press too hard when they're brushing. It helps them to be gentle. So which one is the best? It depends. Depends per individual. We are different. We like different things. We are comfortable with different things. So pick the one that works best for you. So this one is more like a professional clean because it works the same as the machine that you use when you come for your dental cleaning. This one is more like your normal a manual brush, but it just has an extra effect of vibrating back and forth like sideways. That's it. And this one, okay, this one is okay. And it has different settings. That's the first setting. That's the second setting. So they all come with different settings. So I'm not reviewing different brands. I'm just showing you different types of electric toothbrushes that are there. There are toothbrushes where they have both motions in one toothbrush. You just need to change the head because you can change the head. Then when it's damaged, like you're supposed to change your toothbrush every 3 months, then you just get a new one and then you put it in. Any questions? Please.